How to redeem eBay gift card. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily redeem your eBay gift card on your eBay app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up the eBay app, and then once you're on your eBay app, first you have to add the products that you want to buy to your cart. So let me add some product quickly. And then once you have added products to the cart, go to your cart, and then here you will see your products, and then you have to tap on go to checkout. And here on the checkout screen, scroll down a little bit, and here you will see gift cards, coupon and eBay bucks. So you have to tap on it. Then here there are two ways to redeem your gift card. First, to enter the code manually. So enter your gift card code, and then after you have entered your gift card code, tap on done, and if the gift card code is correct, it will be redeemed. Now the second method is to scan your gift card. So you can tap on this camera icon here and scan your gift card, and the eBay app will automatically scan your gift card, and then tap on done and it will be redeemed. And so this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching.